Hello, I'm Bob Ryan. In my work as chief meteorologist at NBC4 in Washington, D.C., I often think about the people we serve, about the spirit of a community, how it stays alive and vibrant. What is it that brings people together with a shared sense of living that lets them participate together in cultural and creative ways? I know it's much more than just sunny days and fair weather. And there are many answers to that question. But here in McLean, Virginia, we have a resource that does bring people together, where they interact in wonderful ways, the McLean Community Center. Since 1975, the McLean Center has offered its services and facilities as a center for learning, a center for participation in all the arts. In fact, very few residential communities can offer the depth of artistic, cultural, and educational opportunities that are available year-round to the residents here in McLean. The large, inviting McLean Center is conveniently located in a beautiful park-like setting. Here, people of every age, from every kind of background, join together in a variety of programs, classes, and cultural events. McLean Center offers theater and dance productions, art shows and classroom instruction, educational programs and seminars, recreation and teen center programs, and a remarkably varied schedule of fun learning sessions and events for kids of every age. In addition to all this, the center organizes special annual events for the whole community. I personally found it a place to interact, learn, to explore culture, self-expression, and maybe most of all, a place to experience a shared community life. The McLean Center is really a learning center for the whole community. The center offers classes, lectures, seminars, and study tours, in addition to educational programs for children and teens. The center's large, gracious facilities allow a wide spectrum of learning programs with opportunities for personal growth, cultural knowledge, and really, just plain fun. Radiating from a central sun-filled courtyard, the large and small meeting rooms and classrooms are adaptable for many different uses. Here, educators and professionals offer classes for McLean residents, such as computer and internet workshops, classes on music, languages, screenwriting, even storytelling. In the larger rooms, people take dance classes, jazz, tap dance, and ballroom, including the very popular Latin salsa and merengue classes. These large rooms also provide a location for the wide variety of fitness, aerobic, and yoga classes. And here's a place that everyone enjoys, the center's impressive commercial kitchen. The kitchen is used for all kinds of catered meetings, civic gatherings, and private parties, and also a wide variety of hands-on cooking classes, from bread making to low-fat cooking to dim sum. I've been very impressed with the range of classes offered here. I think these are fabulous learning opportunities for McLean residents and for their children. The center offers classes in computers specially designed for young people from tots to age 12. They start with computer tots classes, on through classes emphasizing on-screen art and exploration, to computer keyboarding and multimedia presentation. A large number of fun cooking classes for kids are given regularly, such as building a gingerbread house. The McLean Center was first to offer the popular Little Scientist program, a fun and creative way to teach science to young children by increasing a child's curiosity about the world and how things work together. These and other classes for children and young people bring them together in creative, interesting ways. Well, those are some interesting learning programs. Now, what about the arts in our community? Well, the McLean Community Center is really the cultural and artistic center for the entire area. Within the building complex is the 420-seat Alden Theater, a comfortable, spacious, professionally equipped theater where local and national drama, dance, and music ensembles regularly perform. In fact, the stage is home to 3 community performing art groups and often highlights the McLean Symphony's concert series. And every year, the Alden Theater presents a performance series for young people called McLean Kids. Stories, operas, and favorite novels are here adapted for the stage, especially for young audiences. Kids have a great time here at the McLean Center, interacting with new friends their own age. They also take fun classes in music, pre-ballet, ballet, jazz dance, and kinder dance, a special developmental dance and fitness program created for ages 3 through 5. The large sun-filled Susan Duval Art Studio is another wonderful resource, a place for art classes of all kinds. Equipped with full studio facilities, this is where professional artists offer classes, such as Introduction to Painting and Watercolor. There's also instruction in art for kids, an art child art workshop, and a variety of drawing and painting classes for ages 3 through 12. The McLean Center has its own art gallery, the Emerson Gallery, sponsored by the McLean Project for the Arts. Here the gallery staff mounts exhibits of national and internationally known artists, retrospectives, and one-person shows. The spacious, well-lit Emerson Gallery is also a site for receptions. People like the idea of hosting a reception with built-in artwork. The McLean Community Center was designed and built solely by McLean residents for the residents of McLean. Dozens of community, local civic groups, and national associations meet here on a regular basis, like the McLean Citizens Association Board, the local AARP chapter, the National Association of Retired Federal Workers, and many others. In this way, the center provides a forum for local issues and interests, such as public hearings and debates, as well as community-based information of every kind. The center also hosts many annual civic functions, such as the AAUW book sale. All these civic activities help define a community and help the residents achieve what all communities want, a sense of cohesion and common purpose. The McLean Center organizes, sponsors, and hosts a wide variety of recreational activities. For children, there are fitness classes. Yes, they're designed just for kids, and they're called Fun Fit. It's just that, a fun-filled, parent-child active play class with songs, stories, and games. And Music Together, a music and movement program with songs, dancing, and instrumental play. The center is where young people register with McLean Youth Incorporated for soccer, basketball, and other sports. Summer is a time for Camp McLean, a fun-filled, adventurous day camp program for kids of all ages. At Camp McLean, a superb staff of camp counselors provide a safe, supervised calendar of special events, entertainment, games, art, science and music classes, along with swimming and summer fun. The McLean Center also operates the Old Firehouse Teen Center in downtown McLean, providing a safe place for teens to get together, hang out, play games, check out bands, dance to music, and meet friends. In addition, the McLean Center hosts and sponsors a number of special events throughout the year for local residents, their families, and friends. For example, the McLean Traveler offers a yearly series of guided tours around the area and around the world. Recent tours have included a tour of gardens in Delaware, Baltimore Harbor, the Rose Festival in Portland, mansions of Pennsylvania, numerous special museum tours, a relaxing getaway to Key West, and even a vacation to the foothills of Tuscany. The center also organizes major community activities such as McLean Day, which takes place every May at nearby Lewinsville Park. 7,000 to 8,000 people come to this annual event for family fun and recreation. Then there is the McLean 4th of July celebration, including festivities and fireworks for everyone. And let's not forget the Alden Theater for special events. In addition to being a venue for theater, music, and dance, the theater also functions as a spacious and comfortable auditorium. It's a convenient and affordable site used by many corporations and associations for meetings, seminars, and training sessions. In fact, many corporations have not only found the McLean Center a great business resource, but they found it a big plus for their employees relocating to the area. New residents find the huge variety of classes, programs, and events a way to get plugged in to their new community, increasing their sense of belonging and their sense of personal fulfillment, which really is what the McLean Center is all about. Bringing people together around common activities, interests, and goals, this is the purpose of the McLean Community Center. Visit the McLean Center and see how people coming together can create a real community, a community with spirit, excitement, and a sense of adventure.